Yeah, son. You could spare my minute of your time.
How may I help you?
Man, a fascination just and you see down but you get your own company, but I like you, man. You know, I really know you, but I like you. You know, if we could be friends. You know, for start off things slow and so on. I like you. There's a comfort to you.
What? You come for buy sausages like people? Ah, I can't believe you. But buy you and you like target suckers if I already tell you. Hmm. You sure? You sure? You sure you are like bye. Bye. If you only know if you think continue walking my because if I start telling
I sure if I like you. I sure I like you, yeah. I like you. I don't care if you got a man or what. I like you, and there's a I telling you, I like you, and I sure I like you. So me know what if I know what. Do you tell me?
you could like me, but I can't like you. Because you can't take care of me. Right? Can't take care of me.
Well, hey, I could more than take care of you. I think, hey, if I get a girl, I must go take care of she. You say? And you don't look so easy for simple to take care of. You say me, I could more than take care of you.
Since you could take care of me, you gotta take care of me, my daughter, I take care of.
My daughter, I tell you the easy and the hard to take care of. I could take care of you and your daughter. You say me, let me around with her.
Take care of me, my daughter, and also my husband you have to take care of. Comes with me, and you can take that responsibility. Are you up for that?
Hey, like tell you straight, I don't mind man and I don't like bite.
Well, you gotta take your pocket.
I can mind you and the child, but not you husband. I don't like bite.
Guys, they want the cow and you want to take the calf, need the bigger cow.
That child with you pocket, hey, go for me, yeah? I need one, you need one, hey.